Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to control the volume on your JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds. First, make sure your JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds are connected to your device. To increase the volume with your earbuds, use the right earbud. You need to gently swipe up on the touch surface of the right earbud. This touch area is sensitive, so use your fingertip and slide up. Each swipe up will raise the volume step by step. Now to lower the volume, you do the opposite gesture. On the same right earbud, place your finger and swipe down. If you find the touch control difficult, you can also open the JBL Headphones app on your phone. In the app, you may see options for gestures and volume control. You can customize how the touch controls work and make sure volume gestures are enabled. If the volume does not change when you swipe, check the app settings or restart your earbuds. Also make sure you are swiping gently and accurately on the right earbud. That covers how to control volume on your JBL Endurance Peak 3 earbuds. Thanks for watching.